Hi, preparatory stage. I'm Ms. Iman Syed from Learn with Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will explain how to write a paragraph, and I will start the lesson in the grammar, the first lesson in the grammar in our booklet, the grammar part, which is simple tense. But before I will go to our lesson today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our lesson today. Today, we are going to explain how to write a paragraph. When we write a paragraph, we must have an indent, capital letter, and full stop. I would like to have to know what is the paragraph. I would like first of all, we have rules that when we write a paragraph, we must know the steps of writing paragraph. Steps of writing paragraph is the topic sentence as it is. This is called the paragraph consists of what? Consists of topic sentence, support sentence, concluding sentence. What is what is the meaning, or what is the definition of every item of these three items? Topic sentence means what? Means this sentence explains the general ideas and gives the main idea. So this called the topic sentence. It means that what I want to talk about it. So here is topic. Another the next step here, it will be support. I have an idea, and this is the support, the details about this idea. Concluding sentence means the summary of the summary or the brief of what I want to give you from the paragraph. I give you a sample of a paragraph about pollution. This is an example of the paragraphs that we have here in this part. Here we talk about the pollution. So the have topic about pollution, and we know that pollution is very harmful, and we have harms of it. Okay, let's know how to write this paragraph. Here is pollution is a difficult problem in modern life. Is it okay? Yes, it's topic sentence. So what this problem suffer? What this problem harm the people? What this problem is harmful for people? Let's know what how this dangerous problem for the people. Why? Because I explain why the difficult problem and the dangerous problem also. There are different kinds of pollution. Air pollution caused by car farms, which contains very harmful substance. These substances have a bad effect on health. So here, this is the causes of what? Of pollution. Effect on here car farms that have that has harmful substance causes bad effect on health and can cause many diseases. The sea is also polluted by chemical waste thrown in. So this cause what? Cause many diseases, and the top of this disease is basic cancer. Okay, a chemical waste thrown in my factories and ships. The soil also polluted by chemicals. We use also insecticides. This is called support sentence. All these kinds of pollution affect on not only on man's life but animal life and the plant life as well. The world is making great efforts to fight pollution. Ordinary people have to cooperate with the government and scientists to get rid of pollution. If pollution continues to increase, what happens for that? Life on the earth will be great danger. Even ordinary people can help to eliminate pollution. Okay, so this is the brief of this topic. Let's go to our topic, to our lesson. Okay, here is I explain you how to write the steps of writing paragraph. Here we have also rules that we have intent, means that the space of before the when we write a paragraph, we have a space here, capital letter. We will start the sentence per capital letter and put full stop at the end of the sentence. I would like to say something. We have two sentence, opening and closing sentence. I would like to write it in when we write a paragraph. In the following paragraph, I'm going to write about I like any topic or I don't like this topic. This is the introduction. It's called introduction. We have introduction and have closing sentence like this. At the end, I wish you enjoyed my topic. Let's go to continue the rest of to read some of your paragraphs here in this part. Here we have a topic about what? About my family. So here, when you ask about my family, I'll ask about the numbers of the members of family, how many persons in our family, about my parents, about my brothers and sisters, and I describe my family as a whole. Okay, let's read this topic together. My family. There are 5 people in my family. My father is 50 years old. He is, so here we write the capital letter Y because they see you that we must written capital letter in the beginning of the sentence, because some of you can forget this, can write the small letter. So here we have the capital letter in different color to know that is the starting of the sentence. Okay, must be written capital letter. There are 5 people in my family. My father is 50 years old. He is a doctor. He works at a big hospital. My mother is a teacher. She's 45 years old. I have 2 sisters. They have the same age. They are twins. Twins means the same age, and some have the same age and in the same stage in the school. They have the same hobbies. One of them wants to be a doctor like her father, and another one wants to be a teacher like mother. I'm 15 years old. I have many hobbies. I like playing computer games and drawing. I want to be a surgeon. I want to help people with heart problems. We are with heart problems. We are a happy family. Here we have when we talk about the paragraph, we have WH questions. We have WH questions that we ask for me before I answer the paragraph. When, how, who, what, which, what, do, and did. Here we talk about what? About the visiting to Cairo. So when did you go to Cairo? How did you go to there? So I ask about the mean of transport. Who did you go with you? So I asked about the person that you go with you. What did you take with you? So things that we have got with you when you go to Cairo. Which places do you visit? We can say we visited the pyramids. We visited Egyptian museums. We visited the Al-Azhar Park and anything. Okay, what did you do there? Did you enjoy your time? So here I ask about what happened, what things that I do there. Did you enjoy or not? Do you hope to go again, and so on. Let's read this paragraph together. Here is my visit to Cairo. So here I ask about visiting to Cairo. I went to Cairo last week. So here I must take care when you write the paragraph in the past simple form. We must all the tenses, all the verbs in the paragraph must be written in the past form. If we'll talk about the present form, I must write the verbs in the present form. Okay, so we must take care when you write the paragraph to know this. Okay, here I narrate or I tell you that I went. So here I talk about what? About the past form like this. I went to Cairo last week. I went by bus. I went by bus. I went with my family. We took many things such as cameras, mobiles, and food. We visited many places. We visited the pyramids. There we met many tourists. We took many photos. We rode horses and camels. After that, we went to the zoo. We saw many birds and animals. I liked the lion and the monkey. We enjoyed our time very much. We bought many things for our families. We were very happy, so we hope to go again next year. Here is another paragraph about Ismailia. I'm Sharif and I live with Ismailia, which is between Port Said and Suez. The Suez Canal runs through the city before it reaches the sea. Ismailia is beautiful. There is attractive buildings, interesting monuments, and lots of gardens. Around 350,000 people live here, but since the traffic is slow, there isn't many pollution. But since traffic is slow, there isn't many pollution. So the pollution in Ismailia is not harm. It's slow in Ismailia. Ismailia is peaceful, but it isn't boring. There are lots of things to doing, especially at weekends. In Friday afternoons, I often go to Lake Timash, Lake Timash, which is near city. In my family, it's a beautiful lake. So here I talk about Lake Timasha, Lake Timasha, which is near the city. In my family, it's a beautiful. Here we have a mistake, must be written in capital letter. Here I have a mistake here. This I must be written in capital. Okay, we can say Miss Iman, we told us that we must written the sentence in the beginning of the sentence by writing capital letter. So here's the mistake here. It's a beautiful lake with beaches around them. Let's go to another item here. Today I will start next part in this booklet on this course, which is the present simple tense. When we use a present simple tense, we use a present simple tense to expressing, as we took in the academic year, expressing habits, routines, and facts. So the present simple tense used for what? I would like to repeat with me: facts, habits, and routines. Facts, habits, and routines. We have two frequency words that expressing present simple, which is always. When we talk about always, when we say we have always, sometimes, usually, always. Here we have always. So always here, always means the habit happened with what? Always means the habit happened with what? Habits happen in 100%. 100% means habit happens in 100%. 100%. Never means the habit happens with what? With 0%. With 0%. Okay. This is the difference between always. This is the difference between always and what? And never. Okay. So we must know that we have always. Always means the habit happens in 100%, and never the habits happen in 0%. We have always. We have usually. We have sometimes. I have sometimes. Always. Have sometimes. We have sometimes, usually, sometimes, often. All these called all this what? All this of the keywords of what? Of the present simple form. Let's continue the explaining this tense. Okay. I will leave you after I finish this tense. I will leave you the exercise to do it by yourself. I answer 2 of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Here we have exceptions in present simple tense that we have. I, you, we, they don't take S, but he, she, it takes S. Like this. Have here, he plays. We say I play, and he plays basketball. So this is the difference between in this part. So we use also a verb to be as a present simple form, like this, without helping verb. Say here, I am, or he is. Okay. When we make a negative form or a question form, we use doesn't or don't. Okay. But I would like to say when the pronoun, when the verb followed by pronoun singular, we're adding s. When we use doesn't, we omit s like this. We say doesn't try, doesn't play, and so on. Okay. I explained this before, but I repeat it again to remind you. Okay. Here is we have they don't write, or they never write. He doesn't write. He never writes. Here is never write. But here we have never. So I put s here because I don't have doesn't. If we have if I have doesn't here, I can't put s here. Okay, because here I used never in instead of doesn't to in instead of doesn't. Okay, here when we use do, the verb must be the do and does. The verb must be in the infinitive form. Okay, let's go to another item here. Here we say, here is the facts like this. The sun rises in the east. The Earth is bigger than the Moon. So here we have this fact. So we use this stance with facts. Okay. Here we have always, sometimes, usually. This is the frequently. We say the frequently adverbs. Okay. This is called frequently adverbs. We say Basant always goes to school by car. They usually visit their uncle. He is always late. He always arrives. Okay. Let's do this exercise together. I answered two of them I answered three or four of them in the choice, and in the correct the verb, I answered some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself. Next class, we will start the present. We will take the present continuous tense. Let's do this exercise together. Here we say, here we have every day, and have here he. So which one is correct here? It will be he studies. Why studies here? Because he here is singular, and this word refers to what? To the present form. He doesn't. Here we have doesn't. I can say goes. All of us saying, you Miss Iman, wrong. I'm letting those go wrong. Why wrong? Because as we told you before, that what when we use that, we use what we use. The verb must be in what? In the infinitive form. I put goes, but I listening to say it's very wrong. It's very big mistake. It's very big mistake. So here I would what? I would, she doesn't go. They space write letters. So they take what? They take what? Take don't. Why? Because here they don't take they don't take S. Okay. She stays ready for the exam. She here what? She here she. It will be here she isn't. She isn't. Not doesn't or she isn't. He always stays his bed. He always makes. Makes means tidy. Tidy his hair. Space. Do you like tennis? Yes, I do. So the answer here it will be do. Let's go to the, I will leave you the rest of this choice to do it by yourself as practice. Now we know how to do this task, and I will leave you the rest to be a test to examine yourself what we took today. Okay. Let's go to another one here, because I would like to make your mind preparatory. You are going to, later will be in secondary stage. So we must make your mind. Okay. Must make your mind. Here we say, I space drums, the drums. Here it will be I play drums. So I omit the S and I put the verb in the stem form, because here we have play, don't take S. Here it will be I don't. It will be here I don't. So here what I ask by does. So it will be here does. Does he play? Does he play? He never writes. It will be, I'm listening to this man, never writes. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we have does, and I have the pronoun you. So I omit does and putting and placing does by what? By do. Do you play chess? Do you play chess? So the rest of the sentence it will be homework. Okay, the rest of the sentence it will be homework. Now we know how to do this, how to do the present simple tense. I will leave the rest to do it. Here we have always is. So what can I put it here? So it will be he is always ready. Okay. So here I put is in I say here he is always. It will be here is he is always ready. Okay. He is always ready. By this item. By this exercise, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy my video. I hope to enjoy and benefit from our video today. Thanks a lot. Until we meet again. Goodbye.